Real-life examples of AI. Artificial intelligence is used at various places in real life. Let us learn about some real-life examples of AI. Google Assistant. Google Assistant is an example of AI. It is called a virtual assistant or voice assistant. It can respond to our voice. To use Google Assistant, follow the given steps. 1. Press and hold the home button on the smartphone. 2. Say, "OK Google." Google Assistant will ask you for service. 3. Ask your question from Google Assistant. Face Lock. The Face Lock feature in the smartphone is an example of AI. Robots. One of the biggest examples of AI are robots. Robots are automatic machines that can do almost any task without the help of a human. YouTube. YouTube makes use of AI to determine the best videos for you according to your interest. Google Maps. Google Maps are used to locate the place and find the best route to reach the destination. Google Maps also use AI.